Hi guys, DDK Infotech here. Do you want to look and sound more professional on your Teams calls? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce background noise and blur or change your background in a few clicks. Let's start with noise suppression. First, open Microsoft Teams. Click on the three dots on the top right. Go to Settings, then Devices. Enable the toggle to allow noise suppression. Now, let's fix your background. You can blur it, use a preset image, or upload your own. On the meeting preview screen, click the Effects and Avatar next to the camera toggle. Explore your options by clicking More Video Effects. Choose Blur to soften your background, a preset image, or add new to upload your own. If you're already in a meeting, click the arrow next to the camera and select More Video Effects and Settings. Select your background, then click Apply. And that's it. Thank you for watching.